Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable narrator keyboard shortcut in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click H key current user. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Narrator. Click No Roam. Right-click, New, D-Word 32-bit value. Change the name to When Enter Launch Enabled. Change the data value to 1. Close the registry and exit. Start the computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.